how are you all? I am glad to see you again. Let's start with the information. Do you know Inkscape softwares or that images which is creating in an Inkscape where we can use or where it is using? Yes, it is using in the PlayStations and the comic cartoons. You just go through in internet, you will get the different examples. Okay students, let's start the class. So last class we have drawn the saucer for a coffee shop logo. Now we are going to draw a coffee mug for that particular logo. Shall we go to that? Yes. Here it is. The first step for drawing the coffee mug is use the circle tool to draw an oval shape which is in the form of a cup or a mug. Okay. So like this you can draw that in a vertical direction. And next step it is to make a shape of a cup. How to make? Again draw another circle which is overlapping in the first image, and you can make it in the shape of a coffee mug. And next step it is how to remove the particular part of the first circle. Select the circles, the both circles using the shift key that we have discussed in the last class. For selecting any 2 or 3 objects you can use shift key. So here shift the circle, selecting the circles using shift key, just remove the part of the first circle. How to remove the part? You have an option in the path menu, that is the option is difference. After selecting the circle, you can just click on the path and select the option difference. It will be removed a particular shape in that circle. So like this you will get the shape after removing the part. And you have to fill the upper part of that circle. For that, place a circle, one more circle on that mug shape. Here you can see that you will get the final image as a mug. Clear? And finally you can group the image. How to group that? Yes, by using the shift key you can select both the objects and click on the images by selecting the 2 objects and select the option group. Clear? So these are the steps to draw the mug shape in an Inkscape. And next is you have to draw a handle for that mug. Clear? So how to draw that? Again, draw 2 circles and arrange in the form of handle and just activate the stroke style for the first circle and remove the faker. Again, to remove this part, go to path difference. So you will get a handle shape and you can arrange in that first object. It will be seen in that practical session which I am attaching with this video. Clear? So like this you can create your mug and arrange like this. And next step is how to draw that steam in that particular cup. For that you can use the calligraphy tool or calligraphy brush tool in the toolbox and just draw in the shape of steam and go to the option fill and stop in the object menu and just select the option blur. You will get the steam in a particular format. And finally just group the images. You will get a particular icon or a logo for your coffee shop. So let's see how it is working and you can go through the coming video with this.
Let's go to the activity. Last class we have discussed about how to draw a saucer for a coffee shop logo. Is it? How to draw that? So first adjust the canvas size. Go to document properties and here you can give a corresponding value for your logo. I have just given that. And now you can draw a saucer. How to draw? Select a circle and just draw with a dark color, and select the transform tool, right click and take the duplicate, change its color and just adjust the size of the circle and arrange it over the first object. Now you can see that the particular shape. Select Shift key and select the option duplicate. Select the Shift key and select the option group. So now it's become a single object. Just adjust its size and keep it over there. And next is about drawing a coffee mug. That's also use a circular shape. Arrange it over that. Again, draw another circle, change its color, select the transform object and just arrange it over the first circle. Select the two circles by pressing the Shift key and go to Path, Difference. Next you have to fill or close the particular object. So just select the circle and place it over that first one and just arrange it over that mug. So you got the shape of a mug now. If you need to get any fill effect, the mug is filled with something, means the coffee, is it? You have to apply a gradient effect. So click on this arrow, go to gradient option, double click on that. So you can see in two node shaped gradient, that is known as radial gradient. For a circular shape you are using the gradient effect radial gradient. You have the two gradient effects, linear and radial gradient. Linear it is using to square shaped objects and radial gradient is used for circular object. Now we are giving the radial effect for fill color. Clear? So here just fill that light colors and in the circular node fill the dark color. Just arrange the nodes. Now you can see here the mug is filled with some coffee. So just select the two circles and make it as a single object. What is the option that? Yes. group. Right click and choose the option group. So now you have got a mug. For this mug you have to draw a handle also. So how to do that? Again select a circle, just draw it, and again draw the another one. Just check if it is in handle shape while seeing that half of that circle. Arrange circle like that. For that, select the two circles. How to cut this? Path difference. In this you have to use only the stroke section. Here we don't have that, so just fill the stroke, go to object, fill and stroke, activate the stroke. The red color we can use. The red color you can choose. Stroke style, increase the width, and deactivate the fill color. So now you got that particular shape. Just place it over that mug and press page down key. If you need to summon that is one thick handle means, just go to object, fill and stroke, increase the stroke style. So you can see that mug is ready with a handle. Now just group these all objects. Object, group. Clear, students? So again make these two objects into single one. Go to object, group.
So students, now you have your coffee mug and saucer, is it? You have to draw a steaming coffee effect. For this, select a calligraphy tool. Here you can see, and just draw the effect. Now it is in stroke style, so just change by selecting object, fill and stroke. Fill you can activate, and stroke pane is to deactivate. Same as select another one, you can deactivate the stroke, activate the fill color. And here select the option blur. Select the option fill and choose the option blur. So here you will get the effect. Just make it as so you will get an effect as a steaming coffee effect. Now select all the objects. Just press the shift key and right click and choose the option group. So now we have got that.
cup and saucer with a steaming coffee. Clear? So till this you have drawn a saucer, a coffee mug, and with a steaming coffee. So these are the activities today we have discussed.
So students, I hope you have understood the activity. We'll see you in the next class.